Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sidehacker. In this, I'm going to compare the speed test and RAM management test comparison between the Mi 11X device versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent Android 12 update in the Realme GT Neo 2. And let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of RAM management and what is the speed test comparison between these both phones. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And right now you can see these are the 6 applications which I'm trying to use and 4 games as well. And out of these 4 games, I did include the Battlegrounds mobile game as well. And let's see what will be the RAM management between the MIUI enhanced version versus Realme UI 3.0. That's something you should definitely understand. And right now I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities in the Realme GT Neo 2, and even the Mi 11X also did have the external RAM capabilities which I did turn on, as you can see, which is a 3GB RAM expansion. So both phones, 5GB and 3GB RAM expansion is turned on at this moment. And now what I'm going to show you exactly what is the Wi-Fi network both phones are connected right now, because both phones should be connected to same kind of Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. That's perfectly done, and all the apps are completely clear. Yes, and let's get started friends with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. Let's slightly kind of zoom in so you can actually focus with the speed what's happening. So let's start with the first application, Google Chrome. 1, 2 and 3. So let's load one of the website, maybe Apple website. You can see the loading speed, how it's happening. So it's a Mi 11X device, and next is a touch sampling rate. I'll try to draw some lines and keep them in the background RAM management. So every time I'll try to include this particular application because only few UIs will be really well optimized to load this application friends. That's the reason I'm trying to include every time. Next is a Amazon application. So let's go to the mobile. So is a mobiles, and let's open some random phone. Which phone? Let's open some random phone. Yeah, no problem. Let's keep this in the background RAM management. So let's start with this one. Yes, same phone I'm trying to keep in RAM background, and is a Flipkart, and try to observe the loading speeds, how they are actually loading. And Amazon Prime, let's keep this in the background. Some movie. Play Store, you can see the loading speed, what's happening with the loading speed. Battlegrounds mobile game. Now we should be able to see the difference, what's going on. And I did not enable any gain space, and there is no game turbo enabled. So nothing is enabled during this process, because if I enable the gain space and game turbo, they will try to clear in the background RAM management, and we cannot get to know what's happening with the RAM management. That's the reason I did not include the game space and game turbo in this testing. First phone to boot up is a Mi 11X device. They show the game first, and then the Realme GT Neo 2. Next are Candy Crush, which are pretty small games, so it should not take much time. And Stake Balls. So final game, which is a Temple Run. Now let's see the Temple Run. Yep. And finally all the 6 applications and 5 games are completely open between this both phones. Now you should be able to see all the applications and all the games. Let's start with the first application. So let's see Google Chrome. So which phone will not be able to reload it? And availability of the RAM, you can see 3GB of 8GB is available, and in the Realme GT Neo it's showing about 2.38 GB is available. As you can see, 2.38 and 3GB, so slightly kind of more RAM is available in the Mi 11X device. Let's start. So Chrome browser got slightly kind of reloaded a little bit. As you can see, page got reloaded a little bit, and Mi 11X device did not get reload. And next is about touch sampling rate application. Let's see which phone can actually store these lines in the background. So MIUI and the Realme UI 3.0, boom, they were there. So after the enhanced version only friends, the MIUI became really well optimized with the RAM management. In the beginning, the Mi 11X device didn't perform that well. If you watch my videos, you will definitely understand. But after the enhanced version, it started to like completely behave like opposite. It was able to store up to even 15-20 applications as well in some circumstance. You can see same page exactly as it is, it's there. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, it went back to the home screen. Flipkart. It took some time to load that phone as well, but still it's there in the background, RAM management. And Prime Videos, same movie, yes, it's present, not bad. Play Store, yep. And next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. It's there in the Milan X device, but it got reloaded in the Realme GT Neo 2. Just now I did open, right? Maybe about 3 minutes back, 2 or 3 minutes back I did open, but still it's not there. Candy Crush is there, Candy Crush it's not there, and Stake Balls, same thing, it's not there in the Realme GT Neo 2, RAM management, and finally with the Temple Run, it's not there. So friends, in the RAM management, the Realme GT Neo 2, after the Realme UI 3.0 update, this is how it is performing. Even I include these 6 applications. Out of the 6 applications, only 3 were able to there in the background. Chrome is not there, touch sampling rate, and Amazon is not there. 3 applications were not there, only 3 were there. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this a quick speed test and RAM management test comparison between the MIUI enhanced version versus the Realme UI 3.0. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off friends, until next time, more updates. Bye.